and I want to teach us on how we can do our withdrawal setting, how we can set up our withdrawals to be able to withdraw our funds. So now the first thing to do is to log into your account. When you log into your account this way, this is your dashboard. Click on the dashboard. Then the next thing to do is to click on, make sure you have fund in your wallet. Make sure you have fund in your wallet before you can withdraw or set up your account. Now the next thing to do is to click on my wallet. Then you click on withdrawal settings. Now when you click on the withdrawal settings, you scroll down. Then the next thing to do is to now first thing is payment gateway. Which payment gateway do you want to use? Now we already have USDT TRC20 here. We have Tron, we have Ethereum, we have Bitcoin, we have Payee, we have Perfect Money EU Euro, we have Perfect Money USD. Now which one do you think you can use? Normally we are conversant with USDT TRC20 and Tron TRX, so we can actually select the first option, which is already here. Then what is account ID, account number or ID? Now you need to paste your account number or ID here. How do you do that? Because you selected crypto, which is USDT or TRC20, you need to go and copy your TRC20 wallet address from either your Binance account or Trust Wallet account. Now Trust Wallet. Now let us go to Binance so I can show you how you can copy your TRC20 wallet from Binance. Now I'll take you straight to the Binance. Now this is my Binance account. Let me start afresh from here. Now when you log into your Binance, it seems this way. Then you click on wallet. Then the next thing is to click on these spots. Now the next thing is to click on deposit funds. Then you select USDT here. Then when you select it, it will come up and ask you which part of the USDT do you want, which network do you want to. Remember what you selected there was TRC20. You click on TRC. Then you copy the wallet address here. Click on here to copy. But if you're using Trust Wallet, now let's go to Trust Wallet. Let me show you how you can copy your wallet address from Trust Wallet. Then you open your Trust Wallet this way. Open your Trust Wallet. Now let's say you don't have USDT in your Trust Wallet. Let's say you just created the wallet newly and you don't have USDT there. Now let's say your wallet looks like this. You don't have USDT in your wallet. What you do is to click on this arrow here, click on it. Then you search for Theta using Theta. Then you see TRC20 here. Look at it here. Then you click on you turn it on. Then you go back. Now when you go back, it is already appearing here. You click on it like this. Then you can be able to copy. Click on receive, so you can copy your wallet, your TRC20 wallet address, which is this. Look at it here. You click on copy here. It has been copied. Then you go back to your wallet, to your account, and paste it. So let's go back to our account, Empower account, and paste this particular wallet address. Now I have shown you how to copy from Binance and also from Trust Wallet. So I want to use Trust Wallet. So I paste it here on this particular area, account number ID. Then who is the owner of the account? Account name is already seated here. Then look at the account name here. You can check your own there as well. So you write the account name there. Then you can write a special note here. Can just say God is good. Anything, you can just write it there. Anything, you can just write anything. Then you click on save. After that, you click on save. Now this you have done. You have already set up your withdrawal information. You have submitted your withdrawal information. Now the next video will tell us on how we can be able to withdraw our money. Thank you and God bless you. So if you want to withdraw, please follow that video guide to understand how you can be able to withdraw your money. Share this to your downline. Let it get to everybody. Share it in your group, to your group members, and don't forget you're listening to the voice of the clause. Thank you and have a wonderful night rest. See you at the top.